The Himachal Pradesh High Court has granted bail to four accused in a case under the POCSO Act, observing that bail cannot be denied solely on the ground that victims would be traumatized. In this matter, Justice Rakesh Kanthala noted the state's argument that the petitioner's actions frightened the victims, but held that this was not sufficient to justify continued custody. The petitioners were arrested on allegations that they harassed the complainant's daughter while they were returning from school. The accused was booked under sections 126 clause 2, that is sexual harassment of women by assault or use of criminal force, section 352, which talks about punishment for assault or criminal force otherwise than on grave provocation, section 79, which talks about common intention, and section 78 clause 1, which talks about acts done by several persons in furtherance of common intention of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, and section 12 of the POCSO Act, which talks about sexual harassment of a child. The petitioners contended that they were innocent and falsely implicated. Also, since they have been in custody for more than 4 months, the charge sheet has also been filed and no fruitful purpose would be served by keeping them in custody. The court granted bail to the petitioners, holding that bail cannot be denied just because the victims would be traumatized by the acts of the petitioners. The court stated that the petitioners deserve a chance to reform themselves, and danger to the victims can be avoided by imposing strict conditions.